Hi, my name's Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I prepare lobster tails. I've got one lobster tail done. Here we go. I'm going to get the next one. Again, super simple. I'm just putting my finger in back here, separating it a little bit. I'm going to take my kitchen shears, going to cut down the middle. Try to stay along the shell. You don't want to dig your shears too far into the lobster meat itself. You want to save that so it looks really beautiful. Okay, here we go. So I got all the way to the end. Then you want to kind of separate the membrane from the meat just a little bit, very carefully. It's a little pokey, but if you're careful, you can kind of lift it and separate it like that. Okay, got one side. Kind of just sliding your fingers in between the shell and the meat, just gently, ever so gently, okay? It's doable. It's doable, people. Okay. All right. Then you want to take them, again, turn them over, and we're going to cut through this part here, just little snippets to help loosen up the meat, okay? There we go. That was pretty easy. And then gently, this back, the underside is kind of pokey, so be careful. Just gently slide your fingers in between. Yeah. All right. I got it. And then, again, flip them over, kind of bend it in half, because now you can bend it in half, and that will loosen up the meat a little bit more. Okay. See, we don't have to be afraid of lobster tail. Just have to work with it. Okay. There we go. So now it easily releases and you can just kind of pull it out and set it on top of the shell. And there you go. Now I'm going to place it in my steamer for 6 minutes. And then we are going to saute it with some garlic, shallots, butter. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. They look amazing. And this was only 6 minutes. I didn't want to cook them all the way through because I'm going to saute them in a few minutes. Okay, so my lobster tails are steamed, and look how easy it is to take the shell off. It's like, bye-bye. So you can just literally peel it off. Look at that beautiful lobster tail. I am super excited, but I need to take all of it off. Now I'm just going to chop up. I'm going to cut up this lobster because we've got to prep it now for the pasta. And here we go. Ready? You want to cut your lobster up into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just going to go thin. Oh, I think this looks amazing. Wow, there's such deliciousness going on in here. Like, here it is. Here's all of your amazing, yummy lobster meat. Okay. So let's move over to the frying pan and get this all set up.